This is the over here at the Dover City Hall, in Dover, New Hampshire. It's the Dover Impulse. Low pitch chime. Someone told me at Dover Public Library, too.
Let's see if the indicator does what it was doing last time.
Here
Do
we
not
go.
hit the indicator if it does that.
This was also installed in 1986.
This building's always a million degrees.
Yeah. At least it's all nice in here. Here we are too. That button. Take it loose. We can get a view out here. There's a view of downtown Dover.
That's the old window. This was added on.
This?
You're not leaving.
Oh, I want to go to the bill.
Make sure it didn't leave.
G. Nice elevator.
The emergency light is on.
Yeah, the emergency light's on.
Hope we don't get stuck.
Here's the inspection certificate. Fixtures. Phone. I'll take it one more time.
Yeah.
Stand in the back. Yep, this thing was also installed in 1986. I want to hear the bell out here. Look at that button. Take it loose. Alright, we're gonna get out here. I want to hear the bell if it rings. So there it goes. To Dover, capacity 2,100 pounds. Got the dot matrix indicator. Now we're watching quite a G. New contact. Level's very quick for a Dover. There it goes. And that's it.